Loss of pressure warning light on the dash of a Audi S3. This is a 2017 model, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset that now. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is come over to the toggle wheel down here. This is, of course, after you know all the pressures are good and you've rectified any issues that you have. So down at the center section here, you're going to press the menu button. It's going to bring up this screen, and then you're going to be using the toggle wheel here. So I press N. When you get into that screen, you then use the left button down here. You click that. It brings you into this menu. Go all the way down to servicing and checks. Press down on the toggle wheel again, and then you see the tire pressure loss indicator. Click on that, and then you store tire pressures. The current pressure is over for tire current. Yes, store now. So that removes the warning on the dash. I'm going to be able to go for a test drive now and give this vehicle back to the customer. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.